because it's very early. It's not even 6 o'clock in the morning, and this is my usually routine. I'm waking up to my job at 5 o'clock because I need to be at my job at 7 o'clock. And I'm always working for 12 hours, and this is my new life. And therefore I decided this year we will have every Advent meeting, not everyday meeting, as I made it at first year of YouTube. I have here a light which makes a little bit not even light on my face right now, and I just want to tell you hi, welcome in December. I hope you will have amazing this month. We are making it by myself, and I try to make it for myself. My voice still is down because I'm not wake up. But my kids made for me Advent calendar. Actually, I made a yarn balls from my sock yarn scraps, and I decided this December I will knit this socks with stripes in it. Actually, I have inspiration here, you can see, and I will try to do this, and therefore for 12 days I will have a sock yarn. And first day is this one. My daughter made this beautiful drawing with a kitty. Oh, hello, Nika. They both did it, and every day I will have a special drawing. And let's open. I forgot what I made, and they put it, so they choose which ball will be in which day. So let's do this, and then I need to rush because I need to eat breakfast and go to the job. I think I will try to film it maybe in the evening or in good light, how it looks, maybe right now. Wow, pink. I will film additional. So I remember this yarn. This is hand-dyed sock yarn from Maruma yarns, and it was one of my first one, I think, and it was so beautiful. I still have a socks from this yarn. I love to wear them, and I'm happy to start first rows knitting by this one. I think I will take every next day this Advent. I'm still not sure, so we'll see, but this is the first ball. So happy Advent, happy first Advent to everyone, and happy Vlogmas time. Bye.